Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, really quick, I was writing in my little planner here. It's almost ending. We're on December the 5th. Happy Vlogmas Day, day 5. You guys, I'm having so much fun filming, and I hope you guys are enjoying. If you're new to the channel, definitely go ahead and watch the video. If you like, definitely go ahead and subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So I am literally bossing up for 2023. That's my year. I'm already claiming it. I'm already manifesting things for 2023. I'm not taking any bull, and I'm definitely not taking any stressed. There's certain things that I'm not taking into 2023 because it's going to be my year to boss up and become my own candle business owner. Today, you guys, in my planner, I was actually looking at one of my favorite YouTuber, and she is bossing up herself, and I kind of got on this whole goal journey and just manifesting and wanting to be better than I am in 2022 than I will be in 2023. So I'm going to be better. Something she said that really just got to me and got into my head. She said, sometimes you have to disappear to reappear. And I felt that. Like, I felt that. And whether it's towards your friends, your family, definitely not my mom or my sister, not them, because they are wonderful people, but just drama, negativity, all that bad stuff that man downstairs wants you to basically do for him, so he can control your life. No, 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 sis. So anything that's negative in my way, I'm definitely going to step aside and keep it moving forward. And I'm just going to let whoever, whatever issue it is, let them handle it, let them worry about it, because I'm not taking none of that extra into 2023. Like I said, 2023 will be my year. I'm going to be basically launching my business, my candle business, and like with that, I have to change. I was messaging my babe today, and I told him that I am so tired of feeling like this. By any means, I love everybody. I love all skin textures. I love all. I love you all. I love you all. Y'all my sisters and brothers. But it gets to a point where when you work, and I don't know if you guys feel the same as I do, if you work in like the food industry or just a industry where you have to do for others, and I just feel like certain people that have like certain jobs that are high up corporate ladder, they look down on food service workers, or even postal workers, even just people that work on a regular 9 to 5. They look down on us, and they treat us like, treat us really bad. Like I told my babe today, and I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm going to be real, because I'm going into 2023 telling the truth, telling and being unfearful of what people think of me. And so I feel like a slave at my job. Like, it's getting to the point where I'm not happy. And so I just told my babe, like, it's time. Like, I've been procrastinating on this business. I've been sleeping on this business. I've been doubting this business because people have been in my ear. So from now on, I'm going to think for myself. I'm going to be writing everything down in my planner, and I just hope that you guys are ready to come along with me on this journey, my business journey. I'm already an LLC owner, and today, like I said, enough of that ramble. But today we are going to be organizing, decluttering my candle little shelfie right here. Actually, this shelf is going to the trash tomorrow. I already mentioned to babe, I want this to go to the trash, and I do not want to see this shelf anymore because, honey, it is leaning, like literally leaning out this back, the balcony door. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is, yeah. So anyways, you guys, let's get into this decluttering and organizing. And I need to find some, I'm probably gonna put everything on my couch until I can get my shelf delivered here, but I'm getting a whole new shelf. I said that next year I am not going to be spending money. I'm going to be saving. I'm going to be pretty much investing, and I'm going to be getting my own, like my own car. Gonna go get my own bigger apartment. I'm already speaking into existence. I can feel it, I can touch it, I can see, even smell it. I'm manifesting all of this. With my business, I manifest the wealth part of my business. I can already see the money showering down, okay? And I'm not being big headed or anything like that. I just feel like it's time. And I told my babe, like, with the first $2,000 or $3,000 I make, I'm going to put my mom in a house. I'm going to put my mom in a house because right now, like, I definitely don't like the way my mom has to go through things at her property where she is now. And I'm just not feeling it, and so I just don't like the stuff that she tells me. So like I said, 2023 is my year. I'm claiming it. Like, I'm claiming it. From the 1st of December 2022, I've claimed 2023 is my year. You guys, after the 25th of December, I am definitely going on a week's break. So I'm going to let you guys know already. So from December 26th to December the 30th, I'm going to be disappeared. But I will reappear on the 31st, which is December, and it's on a Saturday. I just need a little time because I'm filming and stuff like that every day, and it takes a toll. But it takes a toll, but I'm excited because I get to talk to you guys and stuff like that. But anyways, we're gonna girl boss it, okay? I feel like all of us girls, sis, we need to get out, get to doing stuff, bossing up. Whether it's cleaning stuff around your house, that's a boss up move to me. Whether it's a bossing up in your routine, your hair routine, your bathing routine, your hygiene routine, whatever. You got kids, boss up with them, get their school clothes together at night. That's bossing up, girlfriend. That's what I'm talking about. If you want a business or you want to be successful, boss up. Boss up. Okay? So anyways, let's get into this cleaning of this shelf. I'm going to be taking everything out and just decluttering. I have my little bag right here. Trash bag. I feel like I'm going to need another one. But yes, let's just get right on into it because we need to stop talking and rambling, sis. I miss you too. You miss me? I miss you too. Don't worry. Bruh, I miss you too, okay? But anyways, y'all make sure y'all comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your boss up move gonna be for 2023. And are you claiming something in 2023? Are you manifesting? Are you praying? And do you want to see yourself change in 2023? Do you want to see yourself growing in 2023? This year, it wasn't the year, but next year it will be the year. But I'm still blessed to be here and have breath in my body to be here and be able to see my family. And I had two deaths in my family. My cousin passed, and my mom's best friend husband passed. And it's just, it's been a rocky year, but I'm still blessed to be here. I'm still blessed to have my mom. I'm still blessed to be able to have my son, and just living life to its fullest, potential. But anyways, you guys, I got my whole little workout clothes on here. That's something I manifested too. Like, I want to get in shape. I want to, I hope you guys can see. Let me turn it down. But yeah, manifesting to get my, I want to get a boob lift, you guys. Like, I literally do want to get a boob lift, but my boyfriend's like, no, you not like that. That's me. But he's like, no, babe. Like, I like them the way they are, but Only thing I think I need to do is just work out, do this natural thing, and get it together. My stomach has always been like this since my son's birth. I had C-section and I let myself go. So, and I'm okay with my butt. So, yes, I'm just loving life, and I wouldn't say I'm insecure about my breast, but I just feel like when you have big boobs, your back tend to hurt a lot. And my back has been like burning, like stinging, stuff like that. So, anyways, we're gonna turn this camera around, put you guys right here because I need y'all to see everything. I'm sitting down because since I work in the restaurant industry and my feet is killing me. But anyways, let's get to this cleaning. I wish you guys could come a little closer, but there's no room yet. I got Christmas presents. Okay, let me just switch that around and bring you guys a little closer. And I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning. So enjoy the video.